welcome back to my channel. And so today we are buying trending TikTok fidgets at the Dollar Tree. So let's get shopping. We have to put our mask on. Rubik's Cube. It's animals and I really like it. Let's get this. Oh, Slinky. I want a blue one. Oh, I found it. That was hard. Oh, look at that. We only got 2 things so far. In this. Ew. The frog. I'm definitely not getting that. Yeah, let's get that. We're going to get this and also look at these figurines. There's so much. There used to be never like this much. Maybe I should get this little Barbie dog. There's another one! I'm gonna get all of them! Oh, I'll get 2. And also, my mom got me $8 and I actually found $4. So, count that up and see how much that is. I really like this one, so I'm gonna get, actually 2. This purple one too. These are really cute. Look how much stuff we got. This is so creepy. And look at this one. It's showing his diaper. Even that one. They're so creepy. They also got these, and this one's Stitch, and this one's Dumbo. So let me count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, I'm ever going to believe how much toys and fidgets I got at the Dollar Tree because it was only $1. Okay, I am going to open all of these fidgets. First, I'm going to open this whatever ball. It's a Orby ball because it has all these Orbeez. It's white. So what this Orby ball is it's a squishy, and it's kind of satisfying. And oh, I didn't know it was in the bag too. But it's white, so you can't really see it that good. It makes that gross like noise, and it's really sticky right now. It's like, oh, it sticks to everything. So we're gonna go to the next toy, but it's so satisfying. A little, not that much. There's screws in here. This is not a fidget, but it's really cool. You release and lift and fly. You have to pull it, and I'm not gonna do it right now because I don't have enough space to do it. Oh, this is my favorite. The big fat hippo. So what this big fat hippo is a squishy like this, except it has only air in it. And look at that double cheek. It's just a fat That's all it is. It just has air in it and it's a fat hippo. But yeah, we put a dash so far. Oh. This might pop because it only has. Oh, this one's my favorite. Look, it has a fox, and then it has a panda, a koala, and a sea turtle. And right here is a toucan. Oh, this is kind of easy. So you guys could have just opened it. So, oh, and there's also a penguin. So it's a Rubik's Cube. Ooh, it's kind of hard. And you're just gonna, like after that, you just try to figure it out. Like look, that does not go to the panda. It goes to this one. Like you figure out where the sections go when you like get it mixed up. And it's kind of easy because it's an animal one. You could see the flippers and yeah, it's kind of easy. It's a squishy. It's kind of squishy, and also you could throw it, so it's kind of a fidget. If it's squishy, it is a fidget. I don't really know. It looks like a skirt, a surfboard. Just, I want to kill it. I'm gonna. Oh, there you go. I finally got it open. Like. So it has these holes because you have to do this, like this, and then you just release with both your fingers. You release it, and I don't want to release it, but I got blue because my favorite color is blue. And look, it's a little. And I just opened this in the car because I just couldn't help it. I was like, oh my gosh, this is really cool. It's kind of like a tangle, except, you know, this, yeah. It's different. I don't even know really what it is. And we also got the Slinky, a blue one, because I love blue. Oh. Open it. When you get these, you can't even open it. We got it. A little. Oh my gosh! Oh, there you go. I clicked this like that. But look, it like really slinky, because it's called a slinky. Oh look, I could look through it all the way to the light. That's cool. I had to open it because they're just so cute, and then the daycare looks like this, and then the doors open and close like a snap. And there you go. And then let's just get on to this Barbie little character. And it's a little doggy with a little bone. So cute. And she's sitting in a little purple little basket. Oh, geez. There you go. I should have just poked it with my nail again. I didn't actually think that this little dog would be so tall. And here's this has a little Barbie girl on it. And then her accessories are a bone, little baby bone. And then a little basket. I could use this for any other things. And I could put the dog in it in the little bone. I could do the bun too. Let's get on to the other toy we got. So if you don't know Little's Pet Shop, they're just little figurines that are like any kind of animals. Some of them are bobbleheads. The bigger ones are bobbleheads, and the little ones don't have bobbleheads. And I got 1, 2. I think I got a lot. Let me see. So I got one little yellow kitty, and a dog, and then a little bear. They're all crinkled up for some reason. I'm just gonna open the first one up. And they're hard to take out. Okay. It's like a little honey bear. But except it's yellow, and that's really weird. So yeah. And it has green eyes. Next one. Oh, I know why it's on my list. Next is the dog. I almost got all of them. Wait, I think I got one more little Pet Shop too. And I think not. Yeah, we did. Oh no, we did. We got this little swan. So, yeah. I had to get, these were all the ones left, except there's just more of just these. Here's a little orange puppy. And at the back it has SPL for Little's Pet Shop. Here's a kitty. I'm going to open these at the same time. Here's a swan. It's probably a swan or a duck or any like animal that could fly, or just a swan or a duck. Yeah. Here's a little yellow kitty. It's brighter yellow than this one. If you could tell that it's a brighter one than this one. The last one, and then I have unicorns, but they're kind of boring. Oh my god, this is so. Oh. I didn't know that. But here's a pink swan. Oh, their heads are hard to move. Yeah, it's definitely a swan. And then the last but not least stuff, these unicorns. Not that exciting, but if you like, oh, this is not a unicorn, but it is a pegasus, whatever you call them. And this is a purple one, purple, kind of. And then this one is really, really, really hard to see, but it's blue a little. Like if you could see it right there. Let's just take this one out, and then there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click that like button and that subscribe button, because I have a lot more channels for you guys to